In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and format tables in Google Slides. If you've ever needed a quick way to organize information on a slide, a table is a simple, flexible solution. Let's start by inserting one. Open your presentation in Google Slides, then head to the top menu and click Insert. Choose Table and select the size that matches your needs, for example, 3 rows by 4 columns. Once you pick the size, click on the slide to place it. Don't worry if you're not sure about the exact layout yet, you can always adjust it as you go. Now add your content, click inside any cell and start typing. When you're ready to move across the row, press Tab to jump to the next cell. As you enter your text, the toolbar at the top gives you quick formatting options. You can increase or decrease the font size to improve readability, make key points bold so they stand out, change the text color for emphasis, and adjust basic alignment to tidy up your lines. If the table doesn't fit your layout yet, resize it. Click once to select the entire table, then drag the blue handles on the edges or corners to make it bigger or smaller. You can also fine-tune the structure by dragging the lines between individual rows or columns. This is helpful when a label column needs more space or a narrow column is crowding your text. Need more room or want to clean up extra space? Right-click inside the table to open the contextual menu. From there, choose Insert Row above or Insert Row below to add horizontal space, or Insert Column left or Insert Column right to expand vertically. If you no longer need part of your table, select Delete Row or Delete Column to remove it cleanly without disrupting the rest of your content. To give your table a polished look, customize the colors. Select the entire table or just specific cells, then click the Fill Color icon to change the background. For outlines, use border color and adjust border weight to make lines thicker or thinner. Consistent border weights and subtle fills help guide the eye and make data easier to scan. Finally, align your content so everything looks intentional. Select the cells you want to adjust and use the toolbar to set left, center, or right alignment as well as top, middle, or bottom alignment. Balanced alignment makes headings, labels, and values feel clean and professional. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.